Welcome to a destination where journey of nature begins. Presenting Satyamitra Raj Laxmi Nature. Satyamitra Raj Laxmi Nature is an ambitious project that draws inspiration from beauty and serenity of Mother Nature. A project that is marked by villas and mid-rises. Satyamitra Raj Laxmi Nature is the perfect living destination for the perfect families. As you enter, you will see a magnificent gate that will fill you with the aura of grandeur of this residency. Build, structure, design, specification, planning of every row house is just inspired by class. At every step of row house, you will be able to feel the class. As you will walk through, you will realize that your dreams of owning your own home is wonderfully seeing the face of reality. A beautiful and useful cricket pitch for kids. Doing net practice with your kids will be so much fun here. A meditation hut designed for those who want some time to focus beyond themselves. Garden in the center gives you a place to come and have walk every morning or every evening and spend some time in the open area with your kids and parents. The atmosphere is filled with fun and joy, which will erase all your work tension. A spacious parking will help you park your car without much of a hassle. Apartments at Satyamitra Raj Laxmi Nature are well built and designed keeping in mind your taste and modern family needs. Spacious and elegant inside and well planned for a perfect interior. Clubhouse at the center of this township will offer you all the amenities to socialize. It will be a great experience to socialize here with your friends and family, and celebrating occasions here will be of a great comforting thing. Not only this, club offers amenities like billiards, card room, gym and swimming pool. Satyamitra Raj Laxmi Nature is a fully integrated township which is situated at the location that is seen as prime in terms of living as well as investment. The location is very well connected by all modes of transportations as well. All these factors put together make Satyamitra Raj Laxmi Nature the most sought after residential living option, and you are most welcome to experience the feeling of bliss when it comes to living and life. Come and have experience.